Good evening once again, Weather Watchers, and welcome to all the highs and lows of wind news. Appreciation this evening for our photograph goes to Ed Robart of Cooloola, that's down just north of the Sunshine Coast. Now, Ed's photograph features a beautiful sunrise over Tin Can Bay. Magnificent, isn't it? And the magic of a camera lens. Thanks, Ed, and I hope you're watching. Righto, temperatures around the region today, nothing extraordinary, my type of temperatures. A top of 28 for Clermont, Moranbah 29. Now, very little shower activity till 9 this morning, but I won't guarantee it, but there's a good chance that shower activity will increase quite dramatically over the next 2 to 3 days. But the best till 9 this morning was Mackay 6 millimetres, Youngalla 5, Sarix 4 and Hamilton Island 9 millimetres. For the following 6 hours to 3 p.m, Hamilton Island again added 2 millimetres to their April total. Current conditions for Mackay, the temperature 25, hasn't changed much, has it, all week. The first satellite picture of the nation shows again little cloud of significance through Queensland, and we know that that's rubbish, doesn't it? Or don't we? But these are the remnants of that vortex there, well south of the Great Australian Bight. Right, on to the fair dinkum satellite picture at 3 o'clock this afternoon. Look at the cumulonimbus there, east of or abeam Shoalwater Bay. Probably the odd rumble of thunder out there. And there's an enhanced cluster of showers off the Yeppoon area. But at this stage, or a short time ago, there was very little shower activity through the local area, and the same applies right up and down the North Queensland coast. On to the chart, an oh-so-familiar pattern, plenty of isobars. ISO means the same bar as in barometer, so they're lines joining places of equal barometric pressure. Remember, they're every 4 hectopascal spacing. The high will remain slow moving. It will intensify. Consequently, for Saturday night, a strong wind warning has been issued for local coastal waters, but showers generally increasing, more scattered coastal ranges. Basically, the Central Coast and Whit Sunday, scattered showers coast to ranges, more isolated away from the coast, and Sunday at this stage similar. For the Central Highlands, mostly fine, just 1 or 2 showers by afternoon. I think that sounds better than afternoon showers. Imagine being hit on the head by a piece of afternoon. And Sunday at this stage should be similar. Maritime observations at 1500 hours. Creel Reef southeast 19 knots, but they will increase if those forecasts are correct. Coastal waters, Bowen to St Lance, southeast winds of 20 to 25 knots. And for Sunday, even worse, stay at home, southeast winds 20 to 30 knots. Maybe practice a bit of marriage maintenance. Now, tidal information for Mackay outer harbour, 4.4 metres, high 1 minute after high noon tomorrow. Sun up for the city tomorrow, 6:16 in the morning. And finally, the summary. Now, I've persisted with the persistence again. In other words, little change for the foreseeable future. Have a great weekend. Now it's over to Clint and Hassan with the fishing report.
Good evening, folks. The wind's up this weekend. We'll give you a chance to do some maintenance on your boat or your fishing gear. Last weekend saw some of the best weather and fishing we've had all year. Until next Friday, have a safe weekend, and just remember, every day is a great day for fishing.
Thanks, Clinton. News headlines can be found on our website, wintv.com.au. From all the team, good night.
Good night.
This has been a Win News presentation from Win Television, Australia's largest commercial television network.